Hello, my foodie friends. Thanks so much for joining me on today's video. This is going to be a recipe making my enchilada sauce. My red enchilada sauce is so yummy. You'll never want to eat that icky canned stuff anymore. So let's get started, and I'll share the recipe in the description box, and let's get started. So we started making this recipe when I made some enchiladas, like some chicken enchiladas once, and I think it was included in the recipe, but I have enjoyed this recipe so much for many different recipes, like an add-on. So yeah, I definitely highly recommend it. So here I am making a roux. I am cooking the flour out just a little bit, and once you do this, you'll add your beef stock. And so just wanted to explain a little bit about what I'm doing right here. So let me know in the comments what your favorite recipe is. I would say this is one of mine for sure, just because we use it a lot. And what we don't use, we do put it in the freezer and it keeps well that way. So I just wanted to mention that as well. But yeah, I'm just interested in what your favorite recipe is. Comment down below. I believe I was using chicken stock here, but actually you could use either or if you were wondering. But we use this in a lot of chicken recipes, so I think I did use chicken stock. So next I added some tomato sauce, some chili powder, and the seasonings required, and stirring that in and making it yum. Then we added some garlic, and I put that in my little crusher tool thingy. But anyways, that makes life easier, right? So yeah, once you get in there, just kind of simmer it and let it do its thing. So here is my secret ingredient, nutmeg. Actually add nutmeg to this and it just makes it taste so good. Just gives it that little something something you need. So just wanted to mention that as my secret ingredient. Not so secret now. Alright guys, I'm giving this a taste. And yum, this is making me hungry. Alright guys, I'll probably let this just simmer on the stove for a couple of hours on low, and then you'll have yourself some yummy red enchilada sauce.